Watermelon. Watermelon means tarboos. Apple. Apple means seb. Apricot. Apricot means khubani. Avocado. Avocado means makhan phal. Banana. Banana means kela. Blackberry. Blackberry means jamun. Blueberry. Blueberry means neelbadri. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe means kharbuja. Cherry. Cherry means cherry. Coconut. Coconut means nariyal. Cranberry. Cranberry means karonda. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit means dragon phal. Durian. Durian means durgandh phal. Elderberry. Elderberry means badhal. Fig. Fig means anjeer. Gooseberry. Gooseberry means amwala. Grape. Grape means angur. Grapefruit. Grapefruit means chakotra. Guava. Guava means amrud. Honeydew melon. Honeydew melon means honeydew kharbuza. Jackfruit. Jackfruit means katahal. Kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. Kumquat. Kumquat means santara. Lemon. Lemon means nimbu. Lime. Lime means nimbu. Lychee. Lychee means lychee. Mango. Mango means aam. Mulberry. Mulberry means shahatut. Nectarine. Nectarine means satalu. Orange. Orange means santra. Papaya. Papaya means papita. Peach. Peach means adu. Pear. Pear means nashpati. Persimmon. Persimmon means tendu. Pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Plum. Plum means aloo bukhara. Pomegranate. Pomegranate means anar. Raspberry. Raspberry means raspberry. Strawberry. Strawberry means strawberry. Tangerine. Tangerine means kinnu.